lock on there. I don't believe it. Hello? Does anybody wish? It's deadly quiet. I don't know if you can see behind me, but there's nothing but tunnel, and I can just hear water drip, drip, drip. Hello? What the hell? Okay, that's a bit worrying. We're still stranded, still trying to get the car out. Yeah, so we planned to come out 10 o'clock and it's now 1 o'clock thanks to Junior sleeping in. So yeah.
I didn't sleep.
So yeah.
I didn't sleep.
Didn't even really wanna go, but if you give me all you get a show. There's so many bodies on the floor, so baby we should go and add some more. Are you down with it all?
Okay, so what Junior's doing now is just creating some what we call feather sticks. Thanks for joining, guys. Like I say, always subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and until next time, take it easy.
Toodaloo.
Bye.